Hello friends and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can delete contacts in Telegram application. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes and write your comments at the end of this video. So, let's get started and open the Telegram app on your phone. Then you need to go to the Contacts section in the bottom left corner. Now go to the contact you would like to delete, let's say. Then at the top, click on the contact's name and also in the top right corner, click Edit. After that, at the bottom, you will find Delete Contact. Click here, please, and confirm your action by clicking Delete Contact again. This way, friends, you will instantly delete one of the contacts that you have. If you have multiple contacts that you want to delete, then friends, you will just have to swipe and select one by one all the contacts that you want to delete and do it the way I showed you earlier. This is the way, friends, you will be able to delete contacts in the Telegram app. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please put your likes, write your comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.